Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing some pics from the wardrobe refresh sale from Amazon. I have picked up a bunch of cute dresses for the summers and hope you would like what I shopped from there, and I will also be showing you how these look on me, and it is the first time I'm wearing it, so it's like a try on thing and I don't know if these will fit, but they look really good to my eyes. And so I have picked like 5 dresses and the links will be in the description box, so you can click on it and shop right and get your wardrobe refresh done as well. So guys, let me talk about the wardrobe refresh sale on Amazon, which is 50 to 80% off on 1000 plus brands with over 4 lakh plus styles. You can choose from so many fashion and beauty brands in this sale. So you can also get free delivery on the first order, 30 days easy return, and you can also get pay on delivery on all the orders. So go check the sale out. So this first dress is an odd one out. It is, as you can see, it's some bit more embellished. There's a little sequin stuff going on here. It's a bodycon dress with a slit on the bottom. It's like a beautiful peacock bottle green color. It's not even teal, so I will call it like teal bottle green mixture, and it looks like a really good fit. It's hard to find like the perfect size for an XS body like mine, and it looks like it will suit me just perfectly. Let's wear it and see how it looks. Next is this very basic black dress with a belt thing going on. Lately I have been into belt dresses. They just add a lot of definition in your waist and make you look more snatched and comfortable at the same time. So I don't have to worry about the waist to be loose, which really happens when I shop online. So I go with the belted dresses. It's a safer option and bet. So let's try this basic LBD. The next one is from Fabelle. It's so pretty. I just loved the picture when I saw. I was like, oh, I need this one, and it was on sale as well. So I just found it to be very pretty. Like, look at the back, guys. It's so beautiful, gorgeous, and it has buttons on the top. One is like done, and the other two are open. But yeah, it will look really cool, really cute. It's XS size. Everyone should like this color. Like, let's okay, without blah blahing further, let's try this one. Next one is this, I can say, gray blue color mixture. So it's like not even powder blue. I cannot call it powder blue or light blue. It's very English color. I love the sleeves, the sheerness, and I have worn it before, and it's a loose one, so I just have to wear it like on effortless days, and if I really want to, I can get it altered also. But it's so pretty. I love the fabric and it looks so nice on me. Like, I love the length. It's not too short. I can wear it like on different occasions. Let's wear this and see how it looks. Okay, this one is again from Fabelle. It's in XS, but it looks like it is a little loose on me, so we'll have to try it for sure for that. But fabric again A plus, and there is a sheer, thing going on the waist. Perfect summer dress. Let's try this one. Last one I don't have right now, but this dress I wore it in the last trip. I wore it and I have also shared it before on my Instagram. It's so pretty that I have to put it out. It's on sale again, and it is just so versatile dress. You can wear it as a cover up in beach. You can wear it as it is, higher neck, or just wear it as plunge neck like I wore, and the model shows the other way of wearing it. So yes, it is so versatile one. The fabric is so flowy and is not even that flowy that sticks to your skin, not like that. It's like a satin, lighter satin. So I just love the print. It's just a boho vibe, so different than the others I picked for the sale. Definitely wanted to bring it forward. This was all the wardrobe refresh sale. Hope you liked my picks, and if you really like one or more dresses from these, just click on the link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and like, share, comment. What else? Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.